Okay, so if you're struggling to find where the class resources are, you need to come to Teams over on the left-hand side and then choose the class that you are in, which will bring up this general post. So look across the top here and you'll see the tabs that you need, and clicking in Class Notebook is where you start. Now, where it gets tricky is there's a small little arrowhead that you need to click on, this one over here, which says Open Navigation Panel in the pop-up if you get pop-ups. So click that, and what you'll find in here is the content library, which is the second one down. So click there, and this green tab says Online Lessons. So we click there, and at the moment you'll see that there is one page called Acid Chlorides. Now this will grow as we have more lessons, and this is where I will record what we're doing for the day. So that is how you navigate. There is another place that you can go to find these resources, and that is on DioConnect. I'll just bring that on our screen now as well, so you can see what I'm talking about. Give me one tick. Okay, so this is the DioConnect page at the moment, and if you come here and click on Online Lesson Resources, and you're going to find that this will grow as well over the 2 weeks. So at the moment, Lesson 1, and you've got there the SciPad pages that I'll be using, which have got my annotations, a worksheet, and the second page is the worksheet with my answers written in, and then I've also put the ESA guide there for those that want to use that. So I hope that helps those that weren't sure how to access the resources. Otherwise, I'll see you online.